Here's a detailed exam-oriented elaboration of Vecuronium under each heading. Vecuronium, detailed note. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Vecuronium bromide. Drug class, non-depolarizing neuromuscular blocking agent, aminosteroid group of muscle relaxants. Brand name, Norcuron. Drug forms, sterile lyophilized powder for injection, reconstituted with sterile water before IV administration. Available in different vial strengths, e.g. 4 mg, 10 mg. Number 2, definition. Vecuronium is an intermediate-acting, non-depolarizing neuromuscular blocking drug that produces reversible skeletal muscle paralysis by blocking neuromuscular transmission. It is primarily used during surgical anesthesia and intensive care settings to facilitate procedures that require complete muscle relaxation. 3. Mechanism of action. At the neuromuscular junction, acetylcholine, ACH, normally binds to nicotinic NM receptors, causing muscle contraction. Vecuronium competitively inhibits ACH at these receptors. This prevents depolarization of the muscle membrane. No muscle contraction occurs. Key points. No initial muscle twitching, unlike depolarizing drugs like succinylcholine. Causes flaccid paralysis starting from small muscles, eyes, face, limbs, respiratory muscles. NASHNI 4, Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Not absorbed orally, given IV only. Distribution. Rapid distribution to extracellular fluid. Does not cross blood-brain barrier. No CNS effect. Metabolism. Primarily metabolized in the liver. Elimination. Mainly excreted in bile. Minor renal excretion. Onset, 2 to 3 minutes. Duration, 25 to 40 minutes. Half-life, around 65 to 75 minutes. Special considerations, prolonged action in liver disease, accumulation possible in repeated dosing. Number 5. Uses. To facilitate endotracheal intubation, provide muscle relaxation during surgery, used in mechanical ventilation to improve patient ventilator synchrony, used in ICU to control severe agitation, increased intracranial pressure in selected cases. Number 6. Indications. General anesthesia procedures, rapid sequence intubation when succinylcholine is contraindicated, long surgical procedures requiring muscle relaxation, ICU patients requiring controlled ventilation. 7. Contraindications. Absolute, known hypersensitivity to Vecuronium. Relative, myasthenia gravis, increased sensitivity, Lambert-Eaton syndrome, severe hepatic dysfunction, electrolyte disturbances, hypokalemia, hypermagnesemia. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Assess neuromuscular function before administration. Correct electrolyte imbalances prior to use. Use cautiously in elderly, duration, obese patients, dose adjustment needed. Continuous monitoring required. Oxygen saturation, respiratory rate, heart rate and BP, availability of ventilator resuscitation equipment. Number 9. How to use. Administered only in hospital settings, given via IV bolus injection, continuous IV infusion. Important requirements. Patient must be sedated. Drug has no anesthetic or analgesic effect. Airway must be secured. Neuromuscular monitoring, train of 4 is recommended. Number 10. Dosing information. Adult dosing. Initial dose 0.08 2.1 mg per kilogram IV. Maintenance dose 0.1 0.015 mg kilogram. Continuous infusion, 1 to 2 mg adjusted based on response. Dose adjustments, reduced dose in, liver disease, elderly, increased dose in, burn patients, resistance develops. Number 11, missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, not applicable, used in controlled settings. Overdose leads to prolonged neuromuscular blockade, causes respiratory paralysis, apnea. Management, maintain airway and ventilation. Administer reversal agents, neostigmine, atropine, glycopyrrolate. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop unless ventilation support is ensured. Avoid use in unmonitored settings. Avoid repeated high doses without monitoring. Discontinue if severe allergic reaction occurs. Number 13. Side effects common. Mild hypotension, bradycardia. Less common, injection site reactions. Serious. Prolonged paralysis, respiratory failure, anaphylaxis, muscle weakness after prolonged ICU use. 14. Vital information. Causes complete paralysis but no sedation or pain relief. Patient may be conscious, must always give sedatives, analgesics. Requires mechanical ventilation, continuous monitoring, reversible with anticholinesterase drugs. 15. Other drugs will affect Vecuronium. Increase effect, potentiation, aminoglycosides, e.g. gentamicin, magnesium sulfate, volatile anesthetics, e.g. isoflurane. Decrease effect, resistance, chronic anticonvulsants, phenytoin, carbamazepine. Others, calcium channel blockers may enhance effect. Number 16, drug comparison. Vecuronium versus succinylcholine. Vecuronium, non-depolarizing, no fasciculations, longer duration. Succinylcholine, depolarizing, rapid onset, short duration. Vecuronium versus rocuronium. Rocuronium, faster onset. Vecuronium, more stable cardiovascular profile. Vecuronium versus atracurium. Atracurium, organ-independent metabolism. Vecuronium, liver-dependent. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient teaching for vecuronium is mainly directed toward patients and relatives, since the drug is used in controlled hospital settings, operation theater, ICU. 1. Purpose of the drug. Explain that vecuronium is used to relax muscles completely during surgery, mechanical ventilation. It helps doctors perform procedures safely and effectively. 2. Effects the patient will experience. The patient will not be able to move any muscles, not be able to breathe on their own. Clarify clearly, this is temporary and controlled. A ventilator will assist breathing. 3. Sedation and comfort. Emphasize that vecuronium does not cause sleep or pain relief. Therefore, patient will always receive sedatives to make them sleep, analgesics to control pain. 4. Monitoring and safety. Reassure patient relatives that continuous monitoring will be done. Heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen levels. Medical team will closely observe muscle relaxation levels. 5. Communication. Before procedure, instruct patient to inform doctor about any allergies, history of muscle disorders, e.g. myasthenia gravis, current medications, liver or kidney disease. 6. After the drug wears off, explain that muscle strength will gradually return, breathing will return to normal. In some cases, reversal drugs may be given to speed recovery. 7. Possible side effects to be aware of. Temporary, weakness, difficulty breathing until drug wears off, rare but serious, allergic reactions. Patients are monitored, so complications are managed immediately. 8. Psychological reassurance. Important to tell patient, you will not be aware or feel discomfort during the procedure. The paralysis is intentional and medically controlled, reduces anxiety and fear. 9. ICU-specific teaching, if applicable. For ventilated patients, explain reason for paralysis, better breathing support. Family should understand. Patient may appear unconscious or unresponsive. This is due to medication, not worsening condition. 10. Key safety message. This drug is never used at home, only given by trained professionals, requires specialized equipment, continuous monitoring. Thank you. Have a nice day.